is day 7 of your STAAR review, and we'll be discussing inequalities, formulating equations, modeling and solving equations, and word problem equations. So looking at your folder, you're going to go ahead and open this up to page 6, and you should have already glued this in. So this is your Inequalities foldable, and this is where we are at. So the way your Google slide is going to work today is all of the terms on one side of your foldable are on one slide, and then on the second slide, the rest of them are on the other. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to our Google slide, and we're going to be looking at the inequality symbols. So first we have the term above. So if something is above something, that means it is greater than. So this is the symbol for greater than. Then if I have at least, that means, for instance, I have at least $5 in my wallet. That means I could have $5 or I could have more than $5. So this is going to be greater than or equal to. If I say I have at most $5 in my wallet, that means I could have, the most I could have is $5, or I could have less than $5. So this is going to be less than or equal to. Then we have the term below. So if the temperature is below 97 degrees, that means that it is cooler than 97. So that means it is less than 97. If something is equivalent, that means it is equal. If something is exactly, if I have exactly $5, that means that is equal to $5. If my amount exceeds $5, that means my total is greater than $5. If I have fewer than $5, that means I have less than $5. My total is $5, that means my total is equal to $5. And my maximum, the maximum amount of dollars I have in my wallet is $5. That means I could have $5 or I could have less than $5. So now going ahead and looking at your foldable, I have opened this up, and these are all of your symbols. So make sure you have all of these written down on your folder. Okay, so above, greater than, at least, greater than or equal to, at most, less than or equal to, below is less than, equivalent is equal, exactly is equal, exceeds is greater, fewer than is less than, is equal to, and maximum is less than or equal to. So now we're going to close that side, and we're going to go ahead and now look at the other side. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this all up, and we're going to look here. So looking at my looking at my Google slide, I'm not going to go ahead and go to the next page. Again, my symbols are less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So my first term is minimum. So the minimum amount of people allowed inside a room is 5. So that means I could have greater than or equal to 5 people. Then I have more than. So if I ate more than 2 cookies, that means I ate greater than 2 cookies. If I have no fewer than, so if I ate no fewer than 2 cookies, that means I could eat 2 cookies or I could eat more than 2 cookies. So this is going to be greater than or equal to. If I have no less than, this is going to be greater than or equal to. Then the next term we have no more than, so I have no more than $5 in my bank account. So I could have $5 or I could have less than $5. So this is going to be less than or equal to. Then I have not above. So if it is not above $5, then I could have $5 or I could have less than $5. Okay, so then we have not under. So if my total is not under $5, that means that my total is $5 or it is greater than $5. Then I have the term over. If my total is over $5, that means my total is greater than $5. If my total is under $5, that means it is less than $5. If my total is up to $5, that means it's less than or equal to $5. So looking at our foldable now, this is everything you should have written down for this foldable. So again, minimum greater than or equal to, more than is greater than, no fewer than is greater than or equal to, no less than is greater than or equal to, no more than is less than or equal to, not above is less than or equal to, not under is greater than or equal to, over is greater than, under is less than, and up to is less than or equal to. So just go ahead and close all your flaps and make sure you have glued this down at the edge of page 6. So that is your foldable for inequalities. Make sure you watch the other 2 foldables before you complete your assignment.